Today I'm going to teach you how to attach an email to another email in Gmail. This is incredibly useful when you need to forward multiple messages as attachments rather than forwarding them individually, or when you want to preserve the original email's formatting and metadata exactly as it was sent. First, head over to your web browser and type mail.google.com to access Gmail. Sign in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox with all your messages ready to go. Next, click on the Compose button to open a new email window. This button is typically located in the top left corner of your Gmail interface. If you're responding to an existing conversation, you can also click Reply and then click the pop-out reply icon to open the reply in a separate window. This gives you more flexibility to work with multiple windows at once. Now comes the key step. Open another tab or window in your browser while keeping your Compose window visible. Navigate to the email you want to attach, whether it's in your inbox or a specific folder. This is where the magic happens. Click directly on the email you want to attach and drag it from your inbox or folder straight into the Compose window you have open. You'll literally be dragging the entire email message across your screen. Drop the email into the Compose window and watch as it attaches automatically as a .eml file. This file format preserves everything about the original email, including headers, formatting, and any attachments it contained. You can repeat this process if you need to attach multiple emails to a single message. Take a moment to verify that the attached emails appear as .eml files in your new message. You should see them listed in the attachment area, just like any other file you'd attach. Now, fill in the recipient's email address in the To field. Add a clear subject line that explains what you're sending, and type out your message in the body of the email. Finally, once everything looks good, click Send. Your message will be delivered with all the attached emails intact, making it easy for your recipient to download and open them in their own email client. Thanks for watching.